everyone, welcome to the maths class. Today we will do a new topic, even and odd numbers. The main objective of today's learning is to understand what are even and odd numbers and how to determine whether the number is even or odd. Now first I will tell you what are even numbers through these examples. See children, this is a single sock. When we have one thing, we call it a single. So this is a single sock. Now see, these are two socks. So when we have two things together, we call it a pair. So this is a pair of socks, and you all know we want socks in pairs only. Let's see some more pairs. A pair of earrings and a pair of gloves. Now there are 4 shoes and we have to make their pair. These are 2 pair of shoes. So 2, 4, 6, 8 makes a pair. Numbers that come in the table of 2 or numbers that come in pairs are called even numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now I will tell you what are odd numbers. See children, these are 3 apples. Now let's make its pair. As we know that we make a pair of 2 things, so we can make one pair of apples and one apple remains behind. Now these are 5 socks and we have to make its pair. And now again we can make only 2 pair of socks and one will remain behind. So these are the odd numbers where one always remains behind. Numbers that do not come in the table of 2 or numbers that do not come in pairs are called odd numbers. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. Now let's practice few examples. The exercise is write E for even and O for odd numbers. Now first we will see that whether the number is even or odd. If the number is even, so we will write E, and if the number is odd, so we will write O. Now the first number is 38. To find out that whether the number is even or odd, our first step is to write down the place value chart. So we will write place value chart on it, that is ones and tens. Now we will see at ones place number. The ones place number is 8 and 8 comes in the table of 2, so the number is even. So we will write E here. Now the next number is 27. To find out that whether this number is even or odd, our first step is to write down the place value chart again. So we will write ones and tens. Now again we will underline the ones place digit, that is 7. Now 7 does not come in the table of 2. This is odd. We will write O here. Next is 50. Again we will write the place value chart first, ones and tens. Now at ones place the number is 0 and 0 comes in the table of 2. So it is even, so we will write E here. Now next is 62. Again we will write the place value chart first, ones and tens. At ones place the number is 2 and 2 comes in the table of 2. So it is an even number. So we will write E here. Number 5th is 41. Now again we will write the place value chart, ones and tens. Now at ones place the number is 1 and 1 does not come in the table of 2. So we will write O here. Next is 85. Again we will write the place value chart first, that is ones and tens. Now here at ones place the number is 5 and 5 does not come in the table of 2. So it is an odd number. So we will write O here. Now here the exercise is write first 5 even numbers. Here we will write the first 5 even numbers. So after leaving one line, first we will write ANS answer. Now the first 5 even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. These are the first 5 even numbers. Now the next exercise is write first 5 odd numbers. Now here we will write the first 5 odd numbers. So after leaving one line, we will write ANS answer, and the first 5 odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. The exercise is write even numbers from 30 to 40. Now here we will write the even numbers from 30 to 40. So after leaving one line, first we will write ANS answer. Now we will start counting from 30. At ones place the number is 0 and 0 comes in the table of 2. So 30 is an even number. So we will write 30 here. Now after 30, 31. 1 does not come in the table of 2, so it is an odd number. After 31, 32. Again 2 comes in the table of 2, so it is an even number. So we will write 32. Then again comma. After 32, the number is 33 and 3 does not come in the table of 2. So it is an odd number and we will not write it. After 33, 34. Again 4 comes in the table of 2. So it is an even number. So we will write 34. After 34, 35. 5 does not come. Then 36. 6 comes in the table of 2. So 36 is an even number. After 36, 37. 7 does not come in the table of 2. So it is an odd number. Next 38. 8 comes in the table of 2. So it is an even number. So we will write 38. After 38, 39. 9 does not come, so it is an odd number. Then 40. 0 comes in the table of 2, so it is an even number. So we will write 40 here. Now the next exercise is write odd numbers between 50 to 60. It means we have to write all the odd numbers that comes between 50 to 60. Leave one line, answer, ANS, answer. We will start counting after 50 and the number is 51. And at ones place the number is 1 and it does not come in the table of 2. So it is an odd number and we will write 51 here. After 51, 52. 2 comes in the table of 2. So it is an even number. After 52, 53. 3 does not come in the table of 2. So it is an odd number and we will write 53 here. 53, 53. Now what comes after 53? 54. 4 comes in the table of 2, so it is an even number. After 54, 55. 5 does not come, so it is an odd number and we will write 55. After 55, 56. 6 comes in the table of 2, so even number. After 56, what comes? 57. And 57 is an odd number as 7 does not come in the table of 2. So we will write 57 here. After 57, 58. 8 comes in the table of 2, so it is an even number. After 58, 59. 9 does not come in the table of 2, so we will write 59 as it is an odd number. Now let's recall what we have learned today. First we have learned the meaning of even numbers and then the meaning of odd numbers. After that we have learned that whether the number is even or odd by following these steps. Step 1. Read the numbers carefully. Step 2. Write place value chart on the numbers. Step 3. If the number at one's place comes in the table of 2, then it is an even number. And if the number at one's place does not come in the table of 2, so it is an odd number. So children, I hope you all understood the concept of even and odd numbers. So take out your SNAP homework and do the related sums. Thank you.